and welcome to Family Ever After. My name is Christina, and we just moved to Florida. But our house isn't ready yet. We still have to clean it, get beds. That's important. Everything, if you've moved, you get it. Like, there's a lot to do. So we decided to book a couple nights here at Disney World. And tonight and tomorrow night, we are staying at Disney's Saratoga Springs in a 2-bedroom villa with Grandma and Grandpa and all 5 of us. Me, my husband, and our 3 daughters. And let's go ahead and give you the tour. Okay, and the entryway. And then here's the adjoining room. It's a lock-off room, which means this room and the 1-bedroom villa don't have to connect. But it's a 2-bedroom villa, so they do. Full-length mirror, more hooks, a little kitchenette. Let's see what's here. We have a microwave, coffee maker, toaster, ooh, paper towels, can opener, bottle openers, ice container, sink with dish soap, tea and coffee. Love that.
Look at our bed.
Nothing under the sink. Sorry. What's up here? Oh.
Look how pretty
Things
our
to eat
bed is.
from. Oh, and I forgot. Little mini fridge.
Mini fridge.
For beverages and whatnot. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. And another Murphy bed. That's a lot of beds. That is a Hey Disney. So it works just like Alexa, where you can say, Hey Disney, what's the weather?
The current weather is 81 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect some clouds with a chance of thunder showers with a low of 76 degrees.
Wait for it.
Now this is a great time to just hang out on the water.
So it's like Alexa with Disney characters. It's great. All these USB ports and plugs. Phone, important. Different horse decor. A bench, that's nice. More plugs and USB ports. Lots of drawers. Love it. Okay, all right, let's go see what's outside.
There's lizards on the ceiling.
Oh my gosh.
There's lizards on the ceiling. Oh. I didn't know they...
Huh. Look, there is.
I didn't know lizards can be on the ceiling.
There's lakes everywhere, really. I mean,
This is
nice. Yeah, Murphy bed. Okay. Let's look at the bathroom really quick. Thermostat, by the way. Light switches. Okay, we got a closet, extra pillow and blankets, iron and ironing board, broom, vacuum, safe. Keep everything safe. Hi. We have lights. We have 1 sink. We have a makeup mirror for you to get really close. Drawers. Now this is a DVC resort, but anyone can book here. DVC member, Disney Vacation Club members or not, which is essentially a Disney timeshare. And it's meant for people who are staying here longer. So that's why there's so much storage options. Okay, towel, hand towel, tissues. Okay, hooks on the door, throne, toilet paper, trash, towels and washcloths. Another hook, more towels, H2O, not H2O, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, shelf. Oh, very pretty. Oh, beautiful. And then this right there, that is a clothesline. You take that and you hook it over here, and you can even tighten it so it doesn't slack. So, good way to dry those swimsuits. One more thing. That comes up. So you can use it for storage and like a TV tray. Okay, and we come in here. Thermostat. And then we have lots of hidden Mickey. Lights. table. There's something I just noticed. The lights have belts on them, like for the reins of a horse. I mean, that's what I'm assuming it is. Okay, full refrigerator. Again, this is the 1 or 2 bedroom villas that come with this kitchen. Full kitchen. You have the sink, all the washing dish towel, sponge, dish soap, plug, and dishwashing soap because there is a dishwasher. Let's see what's underneath the sink. Recycling and trash. Good to know. There's your teas, coffees, and creamers. There's ice bucket, coffee maker, coffee cups to go. And there's everything you could possibly need maybe to cook with. There's the pasta strainer, mixing bowl, measuring cups, Tupperware, casserole dishes. Ooh, even a pitcher. That's nice. Some lemonade or iced tea. There's coffee cups, little saucers. That's empty, I'm sure, but I think that's empty. Ooh, wine glasses, big plates. Looks like a platter up there. Paper towels. The backsplash is very pretty. This is all refurbished about a couple years ago. So everything looks really new. Glasses. Ooh, plastic cups, which is great for kids, or little juice cups, and bowls. Microwave, large microwave, stove, electric, hidden Mickey, I think that's intentional, oven, toaster, oven mitts. Okay, let's continue our tour with the drawers. What's in here? Now we have more bottle openers, can openers, measuring spoons. Okay, there's measuring spoons. Oh, a peeler, potato peeler. Yeah. And a couple measuring spoons, not much. Cooking utensils, whisk, tongs. They're very tiny drawers, but they make use of every single space. Silverware. Pots and pans. Okay. Pots anyways. Washing things. And cutting board.
How do you get down there?
That's my favorite. Okay.
Wait, we can put our stuff.
And we interrupt this tour to bring you baby activities. Hi. Okay, we have end table right there with another phone. Hey Disney. Golfing Mickey right there.
Daisy and Donald, Goofy and the bird.
There's a bird.
Mickey, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Mickey and
Goofy's
Minnie.
bird watching.
And the bird's watching Goofy.
And Pluto. You can't forget Pluto. He's sleeping. And lights. This is the Murphy bed. This is what it looks like pulled down. The storage ottoman with that also works as a TV tray or a table. We have a kid bed. It's a kid-sized bed or a short adult like me. Perfect. And we have Goofy reading how to ride a horse while on a horse. That's cool. TV, of course. And then we have curtains, which is the same view as in the other room. Beautiful lights. Part of the couch over there. An ottoman. Ooh, look, a trophy. Old Mo. What is that significant? If you know, please comment. Oh, look, and a little cubby. Okay, now let's head into our bedroom. We have first we have washer and dryer. Every 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom villas come with a washer and dryer, which is very convenient. And then we have the restroom right here. Full shower. You have a shelf. I think this is how you, oh, interesting. This is how you turn it on. But the shower heads are over there. Cool. And then you also have a clothesline. Oh, it goes over here. Which I probably can't tell, but it's a kind of a weird angle. All right. It doesn't go straight across. Then we have the sink, bath soap, lotion, storage shelves, the throne, toilet paper, leaf decor. Pretty. Okay, we're gonna go into here. Oh wait, there's a whole other part of the bathroom that we haven't seen. Oh, look at that soaker tub. Woo!
Isabel, come here.
That is comfy looking.
It doesn't have any bubbles.
No bubbles, just a soaker tub. Towels there, towels there. Bath soap, lotion, hand towel, tissue, hair dryer with an attachment. Makeup mirror. There's the makeup mirror. Oh, okay. What's in here? Isabel, can you show what's in here?
It's a laundry room.
No, it's not a laundry room. Oh,
Kind of.
it's a closet. Oh, lots of extra pillows and blankets. That's cool. Ironing board. Another vacuum and safe. So it's a closet. It's pretty deep. Then you have that. That's good to know. And then let's see here. This is gonna be our room. And look, you can fit an Ariel under there or a suitcase. You know, your call. Mirrors. And the lamp. That's so pretty. More USB ports. And plugs. Oh, those comfortable. First, go back over here. Let's look at the pictures. Who is that? You got
Daisy and Donald.
Okay, keep going.
Goofy fishing.
Keep going.
Horse person on a horse statue.
Yes, that's from the actual Saratoga Springs in New York.
Oh.
Keep going. You don't have to go so close.
Pluto swimming.
All right.
Minnie and Mickey riding on a horse.
They're racing.
Really?
Uh-huh. Bible. Love that.
I remember this Bible.
Yeah, it's in every hotel.
I know.
And we have drawers,
And I love this Bible.
which are going to be all the same. But what's in here? Oh, shelves. So with a one-bedroom villa, this is the only bathroom on this side. So the toilet's in there, shower, sink, another sink, tub, lots, doors. Door, 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 door. Or laundry door. Closet door. Lots of doors. Okay, and that was the tour of our 2-bedroom villa. This room I'm in right now, the main area, and the one bed are included with the 1-bedroom, and then the room next door with a mini fridge and things like that, that is part of the 2-bedroom. Or it could also be a regular room. It's a lock off, which means that the rooms are separated. You can lock it off, or you can turn it into a two bedroom suite, which is what we have. It is beautiful. I'm telling you, this resort is so nice. Again, you do not have to be a Disney Vacation Club member to stay here. Anyone can stay here. It's a huge resort, but it is beautiful. The rooms are beautiful, and like I said, they were recently refurbished just a couple years ago. So you have lots of USB ports. Everything, it smells new, it looks new. A new contemporary design. Is still horse theme and New York style. And it is definitely a beautiful resort, and we are super excited to stay here this couple nights. We are very tired. We've been traveling for the last 5 days from California all the way here to Florida. So the girls got their second win, but I am draining. So I think we're gonna call it a night. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a magical day. Bye.